In the bustling landscape of the Philippines, where the workforce is thriving and time is of the essence, the demand for commercial services like laundry businesses is on the rise. As more people engage in on-site work, the luxury of time for personal chores, such as laundry, is becoming scarce. Enter the lucrative world of laundry businesses, serving students managing school and social life, parents juggling household chores and childcare, and hardworking professionals seeking convenience. People are willing to invest in time-saving solutions that make their lives easier. Starting a laundry business goes beyond selling products and services. It's about selling time, flexibility, convenience, and comfort. A profitable venture today with a promising future ahead. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty details of launching your laundry business in the Philippines. To kick things off, you'll need to register your business with the Department of Trade and Industry and secure essential permits and licenses. But what about the initial investment? The cost of setting up a laundry shop varies. Equipment ranging from 150,000 pesos to 500,000, renovations costing 100,000 to 300,000, and permits and licenses amounting to 5,000 to 20,000. And don't forget the ongoing expenses: monthly rent, utilities, staff salaries, and maintenance, totaling monthly costs from 30,000 to 100,000. Additional services like steaming and ironing can be offered, adding to the potential revenue. However, these services are not included in the standard rate per load, offering an opportunity for additional income. When it comes to taxes, laundry shop owners with gross yearly sales under 1,500,000 pesos pay a percentage tax of 3% to 5% of monthly income, depending on the business bracket. Corporations have a standard tax rate of 30%. Monthly bills influenced by energy and water usage can vary. For instance, a shop with 5 to 10 machines and air conditioning might face a monthly electric bill of around 20,000 pesos and a water bill of 15,000 pesos. Now let's talk profit potential. If you can handle around 75 kilograms per day, you could earn approximately 10,000 pesos per month. A laundry shop servicing 100 kilograms to 120 kilograms daily could generate around 30,000 or more monthly, while one handling 150 kilograms per day might see profits of 50,000 or more. In summary, you need a capital of 350,000 pesos, and the potential profit is at least 30,000 pesos per month, which will take you approximately a year to get a return on your investment. By the following year, you will be swimming in pure profits henceforth. So, in the dynamic landscape of the Philippines, where time is precious, owning a laundry business not only offers financial rewards, but also establishes credibility and makes life more convenient for your customers. Start your journey in the world of laundry businesses, where you're not just cleaning clothes, you're giving people back their time and freedom. Invest wisely, serve diligently, and watch your laundry business thrive in the heart of the Philippines.